fame. Let's go.
Back to business. You ready to spit?
Man, I'm always ready to spit, bro.
Here we go.
All right.
Well, we don't have a beat, but you said you do this. You go acapella, so Major Money, exclusive freestyle right here on 15MOFE.com.
Shit.
Freshman Mondays.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. This for my Brooklyn heads, #1, you feel me? Everybody that's still up, looking for that Dutch. Yeah. Public enemy #1, I'm a gunner. Used to be a track star, but I'm no longer a runner. I'm a street representative on behalf of my niggas, and I can fill up the venue with only half of my niggas. EMG, we the future, nigga, I'm fresh to perfection. Start some shit, try to front, you gon' need some extra protection. I've been cursed with a curse, but I'm still blessed with a blessing. I'm stunting hard, need a teacher? I'm charging extra for lessons. 10 stones in my watch, they quarter carat a piece. In the range with twin sisters, Karen and Keish. They calling me Major Money, I got the heart of a lion. I stay the fuck from police is a major part of the science. Me and my niggas set for life and we ain't stressing for nothing. The only time I'm getting played is when you pressing the button. I lead a 1,000,000-man march like Farrakhan. Only time they run in the city is in the marathon, nigga. Yeah.
Keep it going. Why we stop?
what's up.
Alright, I'm saying I just take a little breather in between, let the people digest what's
Wonder
going
was like,
on.
Oh
You know what I'm
shit, nigga. Nah, keep it going.
Alright, I keep
They
it
want
going.
y'all want more?
Me, I'm over here telling stories, so
Yeah,
I tell
yeah,
another
right.
story.
This is
You feel what I'm saying?
Go ahead.
Yeah, so
Got
boom.
more? Go ahead.
Man, I always got more, man.
Shoot.
Yeah, I met this girl. She had the face of a goddess. Her walk real cocky, but her attitude was modest. Something like a masterpiece painted by an artist, Giovanni Bellini. Should see the way she look in the Giovanni bikini. Her hips don't lie. Sweet like sugar, how she gets so fly. The girl got ass, but don't forget those thighs. And I love the way she licks her lips so mild, but the girl's so shy. $1 million smile, but she probably worth more. Her skin smell like the Bath and Body Works store. She the flyest chick I ever seen. The type the young niggas be cutting out of magazine. A true queen. She from the hood, but she want a bigger life. She so hot, make me want to give her ice. The other day I seen the girl crying and it made me so mad. Cause she looked too good to be feeling so bad. Know what I'm saying? But then last week I was chilling, smoking some sour D's in the Rover. Met a little chick from the Keys named Holder, eating a ham and cheese with a soda. Told me she was 24, but I swear she looked a lot older. Said she kinda lonely and she needs her a soldier. Well, then you need to fuck with me is what I told her. It might take me a half season to mold her, but if she stand out, I have a reason to hold her. Whether she drink Bacardi Breeze or she sober, drawers gon' fall like leaves in October. Cause I'm trying to push the knees to the shoulders, create a rainstorm, then I leave when it's over. I'm a pimp if you looking for love, the matchmakers, they be hooking that up. But baby, if you feeling kinda freakish on some late night creep shit, I beat it down right, you know I can keep a secret. Know what I'm saying?
Major Money in the building. Clap
Shit.
it up for Major Money. You know what I'm saying? Exclusively on 15MOFE.com.
15MOFE.
Once
Freshman
again,
Mondays.
one more
Freshman
time, man,
Mondays.
let the people know, you know, where they can find you and all that.
Man,
what's
right
next?
now, I'm about to be introduced to the world in a whole different way right now. My manager, shout to my manager, Impact Corp, you know what I'm saying? Shout to Miss Mac, my publicist, Yolanda Mac, you know what I'm saying? Shout to EMG right now. They just had major meetings, you know what I'm saying, with a couple different labels. Right now, we about to be introduced, man. We about to skip the whole nonsense. You know, we've been paying dues for a long time, but now we about to really get involved in the game. You know what I'm saying? It's about to come out in a real way. More than likely, we going to sign a deal with Sony Red within the next couple days. And within a couple months, man, I'm going to be out there. I'm going to be making people dance.
Looking for it,
That's
bro.
what's
Word
up,
up.
man. You
Know
know,
what I'm saying?
I definitely wish you the
forget
best
the
of luck
small
on that
people.
journey,
You
man.
already know. Nah, bro, you
Yeah,
was
man.
always the big dog. You know what I'm saying? You was always the big dog, man. I
Pause.
know you for a long time. You feel me?
That's my man, Joe. We
Yeah.
good, man.
Pause. I'm about to be introduced to the world in a different way.
Know what I'm
Pause.
saying?
Mr. C said that shit too.
Yeah, but Mr. C's full of shit, though, because he can't even do, he can't even say what he do.
The other dude used to be full of shit. I think Mr. C cleared it up for him.
Cleared that shit up for him. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, cleared that shit up for him quickly.
Freshman Mondays, man.
Yeah, shout out to Ramageddon for being on. He's on the show earlier.
Ramageddon, man.
Shout out to the
Major Money.
Shout out to the homeboy, Major Money in the building right now. He doing his, he did his thing.
Yeah, man. So y'all know how to catch us every Monday, each and every Monday, 8 to 10. You know, we go over some time. We appreciate those who go over with us. You know, it's 10:35 Eastern Standard Time. So I guess it's about time for us to wrap this up. Make sure y'all check us out.
You want to end with something?
Who, me?
So we got any music to end with?
Oh, yeah. We about to end with the Major Money
She Wanna Party.
joint.
She Wanna Party.
Yeah,
She
featuring
Wanna
my
Party.
boy B.A. Star from Westchester. His album about to drop right now, but he a reggaeton artist. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
So, yeah. You
saying
okay. Touch on
different
avenues.
stuff. Yeah, man. Shout to EMG. Shout to my girl. Shout to Shy. Know what I'm saying? Everybody.
All right. Well, let's get into that. Major Money, She Wanna Party. We see y'all next week, 15morefeet.com, Freshman Mondays, 8 to 10. We out.
Chip.
Later.
EMG.
15 minutes of fame. Let's go.